Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me and I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video. Okay? Alright. Anyways, as you can see from the title, this is a different video on my channel. When you live by a hospital. Yep. So, I was actually watching Melissa Unboxing Mom, and she was doing this video, and she found this website called Ferdinand, which we actually get in our Ipsy. And she was like, oh, I just wanted to mix shades and see what shades will, be together and create like my own perfect shade. So that's what I did. But I didn't create my own perfect shade because you know me, I like some grayish nudie browns or grayish nudie purples or grayish nudie nudes, but they didn't have no gray. So we're just gonna get into this and hope for the best. So you could have got the mini, which I did, which is $6. But if you add like fragrance or something to it, you add $1. I added fragrance. You're gonna see what fragrance. Then you got, what is it? Freak. I forgot how much the big size was, but I think it was like $40 or something like that. Anyways, I wasn't gonna get that because what if I mess up? At least like with this, you try and try until you actually make your lipstick, and then you could purchase the full size if you want to purchase the full size. So let me show you the product. This is the packaging. It says it says lipstick, and then I named my lipstick Kayla B because hello, it has to be me in a tube. So it looks like this. Not my type of brownish like nude, type of mauve nude, but I don't know what the freak I was creating. I was just having fun with it. So it comes in this little baby. It says Finding Ferdinand, and it has their little FF logo. It's really cute. Let's open up this packaging. Okay, so here's what I did. I did 100% truffle. I did 50% coffee bean. Of course, have to have, the chocolates up in there. I did 80% Mauvulous. Had to have some mauve in there. 10% Ruby Rust. And that's what I did. Okay. And it was $6 for the mini, and then I added the scent coconut. You could have done a matte, a satin, and I think it was like a glossy or a balmy or something like that. I don't know. It was 3 things that you could have chose, and I chose matte because besides me doing glossy lips, this is actually a lip gloss. If I wanted to do a glossy lip, I would have a lip gloss. If I want to do a lipstick, it would be matte. I had to think about like all my favorite lipsticks and how they are like MAC formulas, and I was like, okay, so all my MAC formulas that I love are matte. Dang. The only lipstick that I've really been loving that's like actually a bullet lipstick is that's not a matte, is the YSL one. That's like a balmy scent like texture, but that doesn't count because that's like more like a balmy. But also my Maybelline is matte, so I'm like, okay, so I really like mattes. I've always liked mattes, so let me put the mattes and let me put the scent coconut. So let's just get into this. I don't know why am I stalling, like I'm just like anxious. By the way, if you don't know who Melissa Unboxing Mom is, she's a mom that unboxes boxes, like subscription boxes. Like, she's amazing. And she does like food stuff with her family, like amazing. She's amazing. Go check her out. A link will be in the description box or in the cards, whichever one comes first. But this is what the packaging looks like up close. Really cute for like little travel size lipstick. I think I have a shade like this already. It has a coconut smell, but it has like a vanilla coconut smell. Not overly coconutty, which I kind of like overly coconutty, but it is what it is. This is what it looks like on my hand. Yeah, no, it's not Caleb B. It needs to be more gray and more purplish, or a little bit more brown in tone. But that's the best thing about this is that I get a free lipstick. Well, not a free lipstick. I get like a $7 lipstick that I paid for. That, you know, it was just about the experience. And it was fun to make it. It was fun mixing colors. So I'm excited about that. And I can always try again to make the perfect lipstick. But that's what it looks like. I'm not going to put on my lips because I'm actually going back outside. And this does not match my olive green outfit. So this is my outfit. I hope you guys like the video. I hope you guys like this little new thing. I'm probably gonna do it again. Have a great day, have a great night whenever you're watching this, and bye guys.